Postulates on asset price. Asset price is the key variable in financial market. So first and foremost, the marketable primitive security must have a single price for trading. Thus the first positive. Each primitive security has a unit price. And here we let S be the creation of the primitive securities. Thus we have the function. This function from the payoff space to a real number. And we know portfolio is an essential concept in finance, and a collection of security are held or treated as a whole, which is called a portfolio. The payoff and price of a portfolio is formed by linear combination. That's the second postulate, law of portfolio. Here, the payoff of a portfolio, the linear combination of payoffs of its constituent asset. Similarly, the price of a portfolio equals the linear combination of price of its, again, constituent assets. Thus, we have this relationship. This is a linear function. And immediately we have this result through origin. Which means if an asset or a portfolio has no value in the future, it costs nothing now. And from this positive or this assumption, we have the following understandings. First, the payoff space is a vector space because it's a linear combination forms a vector space. For convenience, we still use the symbol S. And the pricing function P now extended to the full payoff space. And we here can reach this conclusion. The pricing function is linear and zero ratio. Here, past the origin. And we introduce the concept of V positive. V positive is first non-negative, and second, cannot always be zero, or cannot be zero almost surely. And we know all primitive assets are V positive, or called in financial words limited liability. Thus, from the market practice, we had this postulate. For any limited liability portfolio, the price is positive. This is because a claim right entails obligations. If you have some rights, you must have some obligations. Thus, if the payoff is with positive, then the price must be positive. This is the restriction of the pricing function. Otherwise, you have the positive payoff and the price is zero, then there is an arbitrage opportunity because you get something out of nothing, right? And here, this postulate reveals some market conventions. First, All of the primitive securities are limited liability, such their payoffs are with positive, and their price must be positive. And this is very important. This one, the payoff of 1 is a risk-free asset, and the price of this one must be positive. And if this is positive, the risk-free entry rate is well defined.